Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 slow keyboard response. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility. Click Keyboard, turn off filter keys. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Keyboards, click Speed tab. Change repeat rate to maximum. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Update Driver, click Browse my computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select model. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scano. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.